Welcome to the workshop. This first video is going to be showing you how to deal or how to not deal with smellies. You know those fragrant things you put in your vacuum cleaner? I see many times the same problem. So I'm going to show you how to avoid that here. Stay tuned. What I find people do when they bring machines in, and I understand it, they want the machines to smell nice. The only way you can achieve this is to have a proper service, get your vacuum serviced. That really you should do them once a year. But what people tend to do is they put these things in. This is a freshener. See the size of that on a filter? I think you can probably get 5 of these on one filter surface. Filters rely on a big surface area. The bigger the surface area, the more efficient they are. So what happens with this? If you block that amount of this filter, all electric motors, they rely on a certain amount of air pressure. This air pressure creates friction. In a vacuum, there's no friction. So when a vacuum cleaner is completely blocked up, the motor will spin too quickly, therefore reducing the carbon brushes faster. So if you block part of your filter like this, you're reducing the friction in the air because there's more of a vacuum. Your motor will spin faster and therefore its life it'll die quicker. Just basic physics. There is a place for these and it is in the bin. When I say the bin, I mean the bin of the vacuum. So, in there, in the bin. Just put them in the bin.